Question number 17. In a school, students throw of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant. Okay, so here we have to check will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant one tree. Okay, so section of class 1 will plant one tree, section of class 2 will plant two trees, and so on till class 12. Okay, so here in the school there are 12 classes and each class plant trees. Okay, but how to plant? Class wise. Suppose section of class 1 plant one tree, class 2 two trees, up to so on. Okay, so here we have to find SN. Is it clear? Because in first class plant one tree, second class plant two trees, third class plant three trees, up to 12 class plant 12 trees. So we have to find number of trees. Okay, yes or no? So we have to find a sum, and whenever we have to find sum, then we have to use the formula of SN. Okay, so first of all we have to find first sum as well as common difference from given condition. Okay, so here now see solution. It can be observed that number of trees planted by the students is in AP. Okay, is it clear? Because first class one tree, second class two trees, third class three trees. So given numbers of trees planted by students in an AP. Okay, because the common difference is same. One trees increases. Okay, one tree increase. Yes or no? So we have to find out first term and common difference. Yes or no? So see the situation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. There are 12 classes in the school. So it is very clear first sum is 1 because first class is plant one tree. So first sum is 1 and common difference is also 1 because one tree increase. Yes or no? So you can find directly 1 or you can subtract second term minus first term. So 2 minus 1 gives 1. Is it clear? Now we have to find a sum of 12 terms because there are 12 classes. So we have to find S12. Keep in mind, we have to find S12 because there are 12 classes in the school. Is it clear? So now observe that. So Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to put the value of n is equals to 12. Okay, as per the question, the value of a and the value of d is 1. Now we have to simplify it. So it gives 12 by 2 bracket 2 bracket 1 plus 12 minus 1 into 1. Now 2 6 are 12. Yes or no? So 6 bracket 2 ones are 2 plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 1s are 11. So 11 plus 2 gives 13. So 13 8s are okay. 13 6s are 78. Therefore, number of trees planted by one section, okay, of the class is 78. Now we will check here again. What is our question? See, in a school, students through of planting tree in around the school or to reduce air pollution, it was decided that the number of trees each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, section of class 1 will plant one tree, section of class 2 will plant two trees, and so on till class 12. There are three sections, keep in mind. Okay, first three classes, class 2 three classes. So there are three sections of each class. So we have to multiply by 3 to our answer. Is it clear? So now we have to multiply by 3. See, So our answer is 78. So now we have to multiply here 70 number of trees planted by 3 sections. Okay, 3 section. Each class has 3 sections. So we have to multiply by 3 to our answer. Okay, is it clear? So now see, so we have to multiply by 3 to 78. Is it clear? So our answer is 234. So therefore 234 trees will be planted by the students. Is it clear? Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5. Radii means the plural form of radius. Okay, so plural form of radius is known as radii. 0.5, 1.0 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, so on, as shown in figure. What is the total length? Okay, see, what is the total length of such a spiral made up? See, made up, this is our question, of 13 consecutive semicircles. Okay, so here the we have to take the value of pi is 22 by 7 is already given. Okay, so now we have to start the solution. See, 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 answer. Semi perimeter of circle, okay, is given by, okay, we know that perimeter means in circle we have to use circumference. Okay, we have to use what is circumference. Circumference means perimeter. So here circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. Is it clear? Circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Is it clear? It gives perimeter or circumference, both the same thing. Okay, but here semicircle is given, so we have to find out semicircle of circle. Okay, so semicircle means semi perimeter. Okay, so semi perimeter of circle is pi r, because perimeter of circle is 2 pi r, so we have to divide by 2, so it gives pi r. Okay, in question we have to given starting with center A of radii is 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2 centimeter, so on. Okay, so radius is given, yes or no? So now see, we have to denote L1 is, so radius, first radius is R1, so we have to use 0.5, so 0.5 into pi, yes or no? Okay, 0.5. L2 is pi into 1 because second radius is 1. L3 is 1.5, 1.5 into pi, or we can write 3 by 2 because 3 by 2 gives 1.5. Therefore, L1, L2, L3, that is the length of semicircle R in AP. Okay, so here first 0.5 equal to, we can write 1.5. Okay, so it gives pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, up 2 pi, up to so on. So now we have to find out first sum as well as common difference. Okay, so first sum is very clear. First sum is pi by 2 and the value of d is given by a2 minus a1. Okay, so here a2 is pi, a2 is pi and a1 is pi by 2. So we have to subtract pi minus pi by 2. So the value of d is pi by 2. We have to find sum of AP. Okay, so here 13 semicircle is given. So we have to find the sum of 13 terms. Okay, so we have to find out S13. Okay, so we have to put the value of A is pi by 2 as well as B is pi by 2 and N equal to 13 because we have to find sum of 13 terms. Okay, so now see next. Okay, now see The formula of Sn is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 2a bracket n minus 1 into d. Now we have to put the value of n equals to 13. Okay, it is already given in question. We have to find the sum of 13 terms. Okay, so the value of n is 13 divided by 2. Now in bracket we have to put the value of a as well as d. Okay, so the value of a and d is pi by 2. So 2 bracket pi by 2 plus n is equals to 13. So 13 minus 1 into pi by 2. Now we have to simplify it. So here 2 cancel out. See, 2 cancel out. So it gives only pi. Pi plus here 13 minus 1 gives 12. Yes or no? 13 minus 1 gives 12. So 12 pi by 2. Now we have to cancel out. So 2 6 are 12. So it gives 6 pi. Is it clear? 2 6 are 12. So 6 pi plus pi gives 7 pi. Okay. Now we have to multiply 13 sevens are 13 sevens are 91. So 91 pi by 2 is the answer. But already in question the value of pi is given. See, in question the value of pi is given. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Otherwise no need to put the value of pi. But in question the value of pi is given. So we have to put the value of pi and simplify it. Okay. Now see. So what is the last step? Okay. So now see. So put the value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay. So 13 sevens are 91 and 2 11s are 22. So our answer is 13 into 11. So answer is 143. So therefore the length of such spiral of 13 consecutive semicircles will be 143 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. So simply we have to find out first AP. After finding AP, we have to find out first term and common difference, and then we have to use formula of Sn and put the value of A, D, and N and simply simplify it. Okay, so it gives the answer. So our answer is 143 centimeter. Okay.